How to see archive stories on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to see archive stories on Facebook. Watch the video till the end so that you don't miss any steps. Without further ado, let's begin. Launch Facebook app on your device. Sign into your account. Now navigate to three-line menu icon at top right. Tap on your profile at top. Now next to advertise, tap on the three dots. Then you will access on this profile settings section. From the list of the option, tap on activity log. Now simply choose archive button at top left corner of your screen. Tap story archive at top left. So these are all your archive stories on Facebook. You can easily view all this. So you need to know that only you can see your story archive. When you open a particular story, you can easily share it or you can add to the highlight as well. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.